Good morning. We got up quite early this morning, packed our bags and we checked out, and we're on our way back towards Bangkok, but we are going to try and make a few stops along the way. First stop, Subway for egg and bacon breakfast. On our way out we found this area where you can come and sit down, eat some food, and which is pretty much the same setup as we had on the beach, but yeah, it's just off the beach. And if you do feel like going to the beach, well, it's right down here too. I must admit, Bang Saen has really impressed me, and I can see us coming here many times more. It's really very nice here. I feel like I'm discovering more and more facets to Bang Saen. As you might have guessed, we are now on Monkey Hill. There are a lot of monkeys here and we've come to feed them some bananas. Monkey Hill is not just good for the monkeys, it's also good for the view of Bang Saen. You can even buy bananas here. There's a little shop here where you can buy the bananas, 20 baht. I'm going to feed a banana to a monkey. Here, love. Right now we find ourselves at Loft Land, which is a beautiful place. They've got an awesome lawn over here. There's this waterfall and they've got different zones, earth, moon and I don't know what else. Unfortunately you got to pay 300 Thai baht, but that includes one free drink and you can stay the whole day. They've got Wi-Fi here too. However, we're not going to do that now because we are actually on our way back to Bangkok, so we don't have that much time. But what I will do is I'll try and fly my drone from somewhere and get some shots of this place for you.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow.
We literally just stopped along the road. This is one of the benefits of traveling with your chairs and table in our car always. About to dig into this breakfast sub